All right.
The first person to finish is the winner. Or if nobody finishes, whoever's eaten the most wings in the 10 minutes. We're gonna look at the wings afterwards. If they're not, you know, clean enough
stripped to the bone,
any of those get disqualified. Does anybody want any gloves?
No.
No? Okay.
They're hardcore.
is there
it just makes it harder anyway.
There's no vomit bucket or
If
anything?
you want any...
You ready, brother?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Alright.
Excited to win.
Oh my god. You won the pink... Oh, Jesus, you're going for the trifecta, my friend. Alright, good luck, guys.
Thank you.
Good luck. Yaz, you're the only girl here brave enough to step up to the plate.
Let's do this.
Alright, my money's on you, babe.
Your money's gonna be lost pretty quickly.
Alright, Ellen. Is this the first serving?
The other two are on their way.
It smells.
Fuck, look at the size of those dishes.
Who has the timer?
I'll do it.
Jesus, guys.
Put your hands up when you're ready. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. You're gonna have to do a lot of pretty clean wings so far. I'm wondering what the fuck's going on.
Coming.
Let's go! Jasmine! Woo!
¿Cómo les van a contar?
Well, not free, but...
Bring it back. Calm me down.
Do you have milk? Yeah.
Not looking through my nose.
I think we have a winner.
Three for the photo, my friend.
You don't want to eat them now? We can box them up for you.
What's your name, man?
Thomas. Thank you. I'm gonna be in the table and drink it. Thank you.
Ease my pain. If you needed me, I would come to you. I would swim the seas for to ease your pain.
You're so fantastic, I have to ask. Is there anybody here who knows Green Day? Okay, anyone here who likes Green Day? Alright, anyone here so far who likes us? Thank you very much.
She's in silence. A sudden riot penetrating through her mind. Waiting for a sign. Smash that silence at the break of control. Right
Oh, for fuck's sake, just get in.